Welcome everybody. Let's get right to it for Friday trading session. We got a lot of things to prepare right now because there's something about to happen. HPCO went yesterday almost 500%, and guess what? Now in the pre-market 65% down. As we said, always take your profit. HPCO. This one we traded yesterday. You see it clearly, 64% down. Worth of volume is, let me just check. I think is the most loser for today. Yeah, it's the most loser for today. 7.349 million. So we have to be extremely careful. You see here, we already did the pre-market or even target analysis for HPCO yesterday, and we said we need to hold the current support. We held it actually. So we held the reverse from our bottom, then we broke the $4.19, and we held above the $2.90 of course. But after the market closes, after hours, the stock went crazy down. You see here, let me just show you what I'm talking about. Extended hours, regular hours. You see yesterday we closed around the $4.31. We have a great pattern, and the price start pumping, hit the $4.48, got rejected in after hours. That's why, guys, always take your profit. It was a really great trade for us yesterday. However, we have to be extremely careful, because the short is ready to short the market. Now is around the $4.40, around the $1.57. We might have a potential support. So we might see a bit of reaction for the market. We need to hold the current support. We'll see if we could bounce from here. Go the smaller picture. Exactly, perfect. Right, Jim. Right. If we go back, biggest loser. Yeah, HLBZ is not biggest loser. We got HPCO, the first. Then we have APPH, 26 down. Then BSFC. Let us check those. We might have a reversal. Okay, so this one might have reversal for today. It hit an interesting bottom. So this one looking interesting to reverse. Okay, we spot one. We might have a reversal from this bottom. There is always opportunity, even the stock is going down, there is opportunity to hunt the bottom if we have one. For this one, there's a potential to go toward the $1.26. Let's check the other one. Going down 19%. Volume is pretty light. I will pass. Thank you. I will not trade this one. Okay, let me just go in the biggest gainer. We got COSM jumping 9,000%. 9,487%. Don't worry, this is a reverse split. It's not a gain, okay? We got reverse split, of course. 1 to 100. Oh man, what a delusion. They just want to bring their price of their stock over the $1 to stay in the Nasdaq. So it's not good. Reverse split is not good. So COSM is not the top gainer, but the top reverse split gainer. Next up, we got INPS reverse split as well. I think reverse split. Yeah, reverse split 1 to 20. It's not good. It's not good, brother. This is dilution. Or not trade this one. Let me just check the other one. SNGX 1000% reverse split. Again, 1 to 15. Not good. The other one, SQL, on our list, top one, top gainer for today, 129%. Volume, 14 million. So this one is the top gainer, and we already did chart analysis update for it, for the profit taken and entry, everything on our Patreon, on our Discord and Patreon. So we're gonna hunt for this one when the market open, looking really good. The other one, IVIO. Pretty cheap, 84%. HILS, this is the second stock on our list. I'm gonna hunt this one as well, looking good. We got just 2 stocks on our list, and the other one we might have a gap for it. It's 6% down. SRZN, yesterday we did 46%, so there's a potential continuation for the stock. I'm watching this one closely. We might see a continuation. We have just one resistance left to break. Okay. HILS, we watching HILS. XPON, 48%. Volume looking good. So this one got shorted when I'm pre-market open from the $3.84. I think, yeah, pre-market or after hours. I think pre-market, yeah. So we got shorted from the $3.80 until now 24%, and now it's still up 40%. Okay, so this one looking good for a potential trade. We might see turn in the event. So we got support, we got breakout, and we got profit taken for it. Let's get ready to hunt. HCMC. Oh, finally, HCMC is pumping. HCMC is pumping 33%. So this one was top gainer last year. Let me just check the chart. It got diluted. Oh man, what a crazy stock. Everybody remember the stock got shorted heavily. Really got shorted heavily in 2021. So we might see a pump for it if we go over the 4 penny. Yeah, the 4 penny should be an interesting level to watch. Yeah, this one. If we broke this level, we might see CMC gaining back volatility. HCMC. SUTI, 33%, not good. I'm checking if we might have another stocks. We already have 3 stocks to watch: SQL, HILS. Afterward, we got SRZN. So we got 3 stocks. However, we just searching for another one. We might see another one, but The top gainers right now, the first and the second and the third, all reverse split. So don't be misled. Okay, this is not gain. This is just reverse split. 9,000. The other one 1,700, and the other one 1,000. So there are not profit for those stocks, but just reverse split. So if you're holding the stock yesterday, you never get 9,000 gain. The value is the same. HPCO is pumping, I think. Yeah, it's pumping. We might see a pump. Yeah, huge buying pressure starting. Interesting. HPCO, we might see a trade. We have a breakout. HPCO, we have a breakout. Looking really interesting. Really interesting. Yeah, looking interesting, guys. $1.77, $2. We might see a reversal. How much from here? 7% and 20%. Yeah, it's pumping. It's pumping before the market open. No, this is yesterday. This is yesterday. 38% down. SQL is pumping. You see here? SQL is pumping almost 130%. SQL 130% in pre-market. Volume is 14 million. So what you see right now is the yesterday price, not today. Yesterday price. Let me refresh. Okay, HPCO is pumping. Man, I would have actually liked to enter for this one, but we already pumped before the market open. I don't like this, man. This was a great trade for us. Let me just put this here. Potential trade. We might see a $2 test. $2 test. $2 test when the market open for HPCO. Right now down 61%. You are welcome, Mira. Good gains, good gains. Good evening, Naeem. Good evening. Here is a good afternoon. It's sunny day in France. Really good day. Hopefully everybody have a sun and sunshine, enjoying the sunshine. How did you know, Justin? Funny one. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh man, you see, thank you. I just wrote, Denise said I wrote 12 instead of 2. That's why I didn't see the price. Thank you. Right now I'm gonna delete it and I put it another alert toward the 2. Thank you, Denise. Oh man, a huge short open again. Okay, let me just put it there. SRZN 6% down. HILS looking good. looking good for continuation. We'll see if we hold above the 213. Will be really interesting. SQL is gravitating down still. So I'm watching HILS, and SQL. Top gainers, we just have two stocks, guys, two stocks. Where's Naim? You said it's cloudy and windy. It must be in Canada. I have a friend in British Columbia and he said it's always cloudy and rainy and cold. I thought of going there, but now I'm changing my mind. Yeah, Denise, yeah, I changed it. Thank you for alerting me. Because if I put it on 12, I would be waiting for months for the alert to be triggered. Welcome, everybody. What about BBY, Mr. Style? Thank you for remind us for BBY, because price of BBY is continue to go down. We're gonna discuss the bottom. Joseph Angelo, how to private message you without scam? Great question. You can actually private message me directly on our picture or Discord. We have here on our Hunter channel, you see, we have many questions we actually been asked here on our Trading Jesus tribe. You can actually join. And you can actually post the question here and will be like as soon as possible I'll reply on your question. At the same time, there is many members here. They can actually answer your question if I am not there, or you like you ask the question because there's different time different, you know. So you could actually ask the people inside here, our trading community. The Hunter will help you out. So as you see, we have a channel for question, channel for charts. We do chart daily for stock that have potential to squeeze, like before for KPRX, Mark, and many stocks. And we have trading knowledge, trading gains here. Yeah, we have many things. So if you join, just post your question here, and you can actually, I can send you like fast reply on your question, or you can contact me directly, you know, around our Patreon, because we get many requests on our Patreon for daily requests for stocks. So yeah, this is a great question for Joseph, because he asked how to send us a message and to get contact with me, not in the comment section on YouTube, because there's many scam. Cheers, Ray. Good Friday. Yeah, here is sunny. Weather is good. 3 minutes left for the opening bell. 3 minutes left. So we watching SQL, we watching HILS and SRZN. So guys, now we have almost 120 watchers, just 34. Let's go, guys. We have 3 minutes to make this 100 likes like we did yesterday. Come on, 34. Let's make it 40 right now. If it make it 40, it would be really magical. Yeah, 121 and just 34 likes. Come on, guys. Let's even this out. We do always live streaming around the 3 p.m. CET, as you can see here, or 9 a.m. Eastern time if you live in America, to hunt for the stock that have potential to squeeze. Yes, the likes is going up. 38, 41. Great. Let's hunt for the likes before the opening bell. Great. 46. Let's see 50. Give me 50. 51, 52. Come on. Okay. Before we start our live streaming, just remember that day trading is risky. This stock we hunted yesterday and pumped almost 500%. And today went down almost 61%. And this is on this stock in the top loser for today. So be careful. It's really risky. Day trading is risky. And don't follow me blindly, okay? This is really important. Do your due diligence before you enter any trade, and calculate your risk wisely, okay? So let's get right to it, guys. We have just 2 minutes left. HPCO on the list as well for turning red to green. We might see a test for the $1.83 and the $2. Two profit taken. We watch for HPCO. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome everybody, welcome. SRHILS. Okay, remember that HILS trading on the London Stock Exchange and the other one on the Nasdaq. So you have to watch which one you're trading. We watch the one on the American, on the Nasdaq, not the on the London Exchange. Okay, so be careful. Sometimes I make this mistake, okay, because we sometimes have the same ticker symbol. And SQL, there's two, one on the French market and one on the Nasdaq as well. So remember to check the ticker symbol and where it's trading. We trading always on the Nasdaq. Any stock should be on the Nasdaq. Okay, the market open. Market open, XPON hit the support. COSM, of course, reverse split, not good. CRZN, 5%. We watch for the $1.16 break. HILS, and SQL. SQL is getting shorted. It's getting shorted. We watch for break for this level. We watch for break for this level. SQL looking good. Let me just check about it here. We might see, yeah, we need to hold this level of support. This would be really good if we held it, and we're gonna have a break there. And going up, this would be a really good reaction for SQL. HILS going good, holding the support, $2.13. Profit taken toward this box. So we got shorted. HPCO got shorted again. It's not looking good now. Still holding the $1.60. Let's see. This is the bottom, $1.39. This one is light on volume. SRZN. This one is still holding the $2.13. If we held, is mean another pump. This is the bottom. This is the support. The bottom, of course, around the $1.71. So if we held this, we're gonna have a continuation toward this box, the $2 and the $2.70, $2.50, $2.70. So we need to hold the support. SQL still. Okay, so HILS is on the move. We're gonna have a test right now. This test, then continue to go higher because we're still holding the support. The $2.13 is the support. This one is pumping down. The support should be around the $1.70. Not good. Not good. Okay, so we have this. HILS is the strongest one now. HILS. HPCO is pumping. Still holding. We have a test for the support, $1.63. Now going to the first profit taken, $1.83. So we held really good. We have a bounce and the price went up. So this is the bottom right now, confirmed bottom. First profit taken will be hit right now around the $1.83. TRKA hit our scan. Let me just check. Not good. Shorting. This one got shorted. SQL got shorted. We need to hold above the $1.71. Let me just put this there. $1.44. The bottom should be here. Yeah, $1.20. But I don't like this reaction. Still looking good. I'm watching for breaking for this flag. Okay, HILS hit the first profit taken. HILS. We're gonna have a bit of rejection around the $2.70. Okay, so we went here. Yeah, $2.75. This is the top profit taken for this stock. Then we're gonna go toward the $3.64. So we have a support right now around the $2.13. $2.13 should be the support. That's why we're pumping. This one and the move. HILS number one. HILS number one stock we watch. HPCO hit our first profit taking, going toward the $2. $1.80 we got hit with the rejection. $1.83 as we said, the first profit taken. HPCO toward the $2, second the profit taken. SQL is still holding the $1.78 as a support. We need to have this reaction. Yeah, we hit the first profit taken for HPCO, going toward the $2. Got rejected around this box. Of course, this is the first profit taken for HILS. Looking good, brother, looking good. $2.75. This is the ultimate. Yeah, so we got hit with the rejection around the $3. Well, let me just put it on 75. Yeah, we're still holding. SQL bounce from our MA right now is bumping. SQL looking good. Okay, SRZN red to green going up. SRZN is picking up. SQL looking good for a break. Right now there's a break, and HILS got shorted around our box. As we said, this is the first profit taken. That's why we went down. That's why we went down. As we suggest, holding the $2.13, we're gonna have this test around this box. $2.50, $2.75. You see what? We see what's happened. $2.50, $2.70. We said rejection. Profit taken. And now the price going down. You know what's gonna happen now? We need to hold above at least the $2.30 for continuation up. SRZN. Oh man, this one is pumping. Watch out, everybody. This one will squeeze. This one will squeeze. SRZN 8% up. SRZN and the move. Let me just check SRZN. Okay, looking good. Okay, 10%. SRZN and the move. SRZN break from the $1.16. We're gonna have today maybe the $1.90 ultimate profit taken. Ultimate profit taken. We're gonna have a huge pump. This one is pumping. Let's see if we're gonna hold. Red to green. We have a bit of selling pressure. We need at least $1.30 for a good pump for this stock. Yeah, $1.40. We need to test $1.40 for the first profit taking before any rejection. Let me just put it around the $1.38 just in case. Okay, we need to test $1.40 first profit taken. SRZN and the move. Volume is a bit light. We need to pump toward the $1.40. Let's go. SQL is about to bump. SQL is about to bump. Got rejected around our first resistance, $2.917. This one is about to bump, guys. This one I'm looking closely. HILS, as we said, we need to hold above the $2.30 to have a reversal. HILS and the move. We got rejected. I'm watching this one as well. There's a potential because we're still holding above this AMA, so there's a support here. If we held this support, the $1.78, we're gonna have a huge bump. This is it. We need to hold this area. We should have a hold up. Then we have a reversal, and the squeeze will happen around the $2.30. We'll watch. You know what I'm gonna do? Because we watch many stocks at the same time. Let me just put support over there. If we broke it, it means game over, at least for now. SRZN, light on volume. We need volume, guys. We need to have volume, at least 1 million to go toward the $1.40. It's ILS looking good. HILS. Oh man, HPCO went to the second profit taken at the $2, as we said, red to green. HPCO got halted around the $1.98. Oh boy, this one mean business. This one mean business. We might see a huge pump as well. You know what I'm gonna do? Another profit taken around the $2.63. So this one will be hit, and we might see a huge rejection there. $2.63 for test. Let me just put $2.63 for HPCO. Potential a huge pump right now after we clear the $2.63 is the second top profit taking before we're gonna have a huge rejection and the price will go down again. So watch out. $2.63, we might see a huge rejection. SRZN, light on volume, but still 5% up. SQL is about to squeeze. SQL, as we said, we held above the $1.78. SQL, so we have to watch SQL first. And this one is getting rejected. So I think this is it. If we broke the $2.13, is mean this is it. Okay. For today, at least for the first hour. We might see power hour for it, but if we hold above this level, is mean we're gonna break this box, which we already took profit from. HPCO halted around the $1.98. As we said, there's a potential profit taking here. Around the top price should be the $2.63 for today. We might see a huge rejection. SRZN, we wait for the $1.40 pump. Let me just check how much we can do from here. Another 16% is doable. It's doable for SRZN. Still, SQL got rejected again. Oh man, this resistance. Let me just lower it here, man. This is resistance is crazy. Wow, $2.17. Yeah, there's someone selling here. There's someone selling here. So the squeeze will start here around the $2.17. However, we're still holding above the support. So there's a huge fight between the seller and the buyer from below. Oh man, this is really interesting. SRZN is pumping. Okay, we went down again. SRZN have a huge wick. We are down once again around the $1.10. HPCO unhalted. Okay, we got rejected right around our MA, the $2.19. We need to hold above the $2 to continue to go higher toward the $2.63. Yeah, we might see a break now. We might see a break. Yeah. We might see a break for this bullish ascending line. If we go here, it's a bit weakness, you see. If we held this level, we might see a break. This is it. Okay, SQL is about to pump. SQL. Yeah, SQL is about to pump, still holding. Okay, HILS going down, got rejected right around our profit taking, as we said, the $2.50, $2.70. Now we have to hold this support, otherwise we're gonna continue to go down. The $2.13 is the bottom for a bullish momentum continuation. If we broke it, this means we're gonna go toward this level around the $1.70 to have a support. $1.80, $1.70, we're gonna have a huge pump. So this is area should be protected. We'll see. Okay, SQL is pumping. SQL, I'm watching SQL for pump from the $2.17. SRZN, I'm still watching SRZN for the $1.40 profit taken. Now is $1.19. Yeah, we got shorted. HILS got shorted right around our box of resistance. And this one got shorted as well around the $2.18. So let me update this one. We'll put it there. So the only one that have potential right now is SQL. If we broke the 2017. Oh boy. Oh boy, I think we're gonna get shorted. Oh man. Come on. We should have really great action. If we broke this level, we get really great action. Ah man. It's a really good setup, you know. If we broke the 2017 for SQL, would be a great day like HPCO yesterday. But oh man, the short have a different talk. SRZN is going back below the $1.16. I don't like it. We should have actually held above the $1.16. I think for HPCO we're halted down. We are halted down. HILS is still holding the $2.13, looking good. SQL is still holding as well. We don't have a clear sell-off, so the price is accumulating and fueling for both of them. HPCO is halted down. We halted up around the, we opened around the $2.18, then we halted down toward the $1.85. So we might see a break right now around the $1.80. Okay, going down. This one is going down as well. $1.10. Yeah, HPCO is going down, of course. So we went down. Let me update the level. $1.60. If we broke the $1.60, it's game over. SQL is still fighting above this AMA. Right bounce. This is the second bounce. I think, for my opinion, this is it. We should have a clear breakout. Otherwise, we're gonna have a sell-off toward the $1.20. Let me just check how much this sell-off would be. No. We have to have another level. Yeah, give or take around the $1.50. We might see a bit of hold up here. Yeah, I'm gonna see a bounce from there, $1.47, and hold up, then going up again. If we broke the $1.78. Okay, HPCO bouncing back. SRZN red to green. SRZN red to green, $1.16. Are we gonna have the pump right now toward the $1.30 once again? Aha, look, SRZN volume picking up, almost 1 million, like yesterday. The volume was light, then picking up and went to almost 7 million. Are we gonna have 10 million for SRZN today or not? This would be really great. We need a pump at least for the $1.40 for today. SRZN, I'm watching for the $1.40. HILS bouncing back. HILS bouncing back. Okay, HILS looking strong. 44 million. It's SRZN have a struggle to overcome the $1.16 and hold. It have a struggle to overcome the $1.16. There's someone shorting. We need enough volume actually to break this level. 71 VLON, looking beautiful. Yeah, we have a really great bounce. But I don't like the chart because it's really choppy. We have many stocks are pumping right now. Let me just check if we have a great setup for one of them. 33 for LIXT. This one is really volatile. Volume is still light for this one. $1.64 will be interesting to break. HILS, SQL still okay. We don't have a continuation like yesterday for the market. HILS, there's a potential red to green or reversal. HILS looking good. We're still holding. $2.13, as we said, the strong support. And $1.78 as well is a strong support for SQL. HPCO, there's a breakout will happen around the $2.18 toward the $2.63. Yeah, 20%. Yeah, HILS is pumping. Is pumping once again. A lot of people thinking about shorting Tesla. Okay, HILS looking good. Reverse from our bottom. There's a potential for a retest for this level of resistance around the $2.50. Tesla 3% down today. Still holding the 200. Yeah, really great hold up above this AMA. We kissing our AMA from below, so this is really important level. In the big picture, we're still pumping. In the big picture, we're still strong. Even we broke the 200 is not good to short. You know why? Because we still have a strong support here around the 198 or no 180. If we broke the 180, yeah, we could actually short, but here still strong support. Oh man, we have to break this level. The $1.16 should be a squeeze. We have a struggle for SQL. Let me just check. HILS is top one volume gainer, 45 million. Then we have this one get shorted, LYFT. Got shorted 33% because we got bad earnings. I think we got Ford is going down. BBY still going down toward the box, as we said. Google a bit of green. PayPal is 4% up. PayPal is doing good. Nvidia, Nvidia went to our profit taking the 229, looking good. Semiconductors looking good. AMD and Nvidia looking good. The chart looking really pretty nice. Neo 3% down. Meta going down, but still we have a huge pump after the earnings. See here, we have a huge pump for Meta. So a lot of people think about shorting Meta, Google, Tesla. There's a potential, yeah. Okay, HILS is still pumping up. HILS, XPON, I don't like the chart. This one light on volume. This one is not looking good. Light, mini light. We don't have any volume here. Oh man. So LYFT stock crashes as weak guidance, seen as downgrades ensue. So we have really bad earnings last time. We got the other one, ASPS. COSM 17% down after the reverse split. Okay. SQL, we got SRZN down still. HILS. We might see another pump for this one. HPCO accumulating. Let me bring Tesla's crashing down. Let's see. For this one, if we held above the $1.84, we might see another pump. There is someone buying. Oh man, this one is crashing. Yeah, we got shorted, man. SRZN, we didn't hold above the $1.16. That's why we got shorted. Another bounce from our MA. Huge short open for SRZN. SQL got shorted. We're gonna go toward the $1.47 now. $1.47. And this one got shorted because we didn't hold above the $1.16. Okay, HILS looking good. Let's see if we're gonna hold and pump once again for SH. Let's see if we hold here. We have accumulation for HILS. Accumulation. What's gonna be? Okay, HPCO is pumping. Are we gonna have a breakout here? $2.18. Looking interesting. We have accumulation here for HPCO. There's a, we might have another pump toward the $2.63. Okay, we got shorted. We have alert for Zomedica going down. Okay, HPCO looking interesting. Okay, SQL is going up. We're still holding the $1.78. Is that it? Are we gonna have a break for the $2.17 now or not? HILS going up. HILS. Okay, we might see a huge pump right now for HILS if we broke this box. We might see a double top or a breakout. What's gonna be? HILS is pumping. HILS. We're gonna hold. We're gonna hold above the $2.60. This is it. $2.60. We need to hold. This is it. $2.59. You need to hold to have another bump. Come on. Come on. Still not ready yet. $2.60. We need another pump toward the $3.15. Yeah, we got shorted. Not looking good. HPCO still holding. SQL is going up. Not looking good, not looking good, not looking good. Got shorted. $2.60 is the breakout. We got many questions regarding GNS. GNS is testing important level right now, the $5.80. We have a huge dip. Yeah, we have a flag forming right now for GNS. We might have a breakout for GNS. Okay, we're breaking the support. Not looking good. So the shorts came in heavily right now. The support to hold $1.39. So we might go to the $1.39. HPCO, game over. HILS, we might have a game over as well because we have double top. Price will have a huge reversal down. I think we might have this level, the $1.80, $1.70. So let me just put alert and a box. This area will be filled later on in power hour. So we'll be watching for hunting this area. Here, boom, then reversal. HILS, I think is game over if we broke the $2.13, at least for a power hour. SQL is maybe as well game over. Maybe it's game over. If we broke this support, game over. LIXT, we tested the $1.64, we got rejected. Not looking good now, not looking good. Even though we are 29% up. My target 5x. Okay, good one. Oscar is bumping, the stock is pumping. Yeah, Tesla is still holding the 200. We have a huge wick, and someone bought this this dip. You know, we went until the 196. We bought back very quick. Let's check GNS. A lot of people said it's flying right now. GNS 7% on low volume. Yeah, GNS is about to break. Let's keep it on the list. GNS looking good. Let's check HKD. Okay, HKD have a huge pump today, a huge volume. Yeah, we did 13%, but got shorted. See this reaction, we have a huge wick, huge wick, a huge wick, and got shorted once again. Okay. Abe is 8% down. 8% down. We have a huge short open after we broke this flag for Abe. You see here, after we broke this flag there, the price went down, but we're still holding above this box. So it's still in big picture, we're still above our ascending line, and it's still bullish, for my opinion. This one is still holding as well, 91%. Still holding. Naim 6 months with us here, one of our lead hunter on YouTube membership. He asked about VLON, 86% for this one. Okay, we have kind of breakout and support at the moment. So the 59 will be the profit taken after we hold here. So yeah, we have mini profit taken, 59, 73, looking good. VLON looking good. We might see if there's a potential trade right now. Okay, VLON is pumping. VLON toward the 59 right now. Okay, VLON. We have a potential trade, support 41. VLON. Come on, we have to break the 53.21. We have a huge short here around this area. If we have a break, we're gonna see a huge bump. SQL, I think we went down from our support. 59 first profit taken for VLON. Let me just check how much we can do from here. 12%. GNS, HILS, SQL, yeah, breaking the support. We expect that the price will continue toward this level, $1.47, for potential reversal there. So put $1.50 potential reversal, and we're gonna see it there. Boom. Watch out. As well for this one, HILS, potential going toward the $1.80, $1.70 power hour. We're gonna have a refueling because the rocket have to refuel. You see this? A huge pump. GNS, I'm watching this one for power hour. VLON is pumping, is about to break or going toward the 59 first profit taken and the 73. Now is 94% up. We need to hold this support, guys. 41. This is really important support. This is really important. How everybody's doing? VLON, come on. We have a test and rejection around the 53. Oh man, the 53 should be the squeeze. We have to go toward the 59. Come on. Where's the bulls? We have a pullback now. A huge pullback. Yeah, a pullback. Of course, a pullback. Oh man, this one, 53, man. Yeah, the 53 should be a squeeze there. 53, man, 53 will be a breakout next time. Okay, the 53 toward the 59 and 73. So if we broke the 53, it would be a great indication for strength. GNS is still struggling. HILS is still holding. SQL is not good. SQL game over for now. Game over for now. We didn't break the $2.17. HILS is still holding. VLON is kind of struggling. We need to break the 53. 53, we're gonna have a huge pump. This is it. Are we gonna have a pump for VLON? 83% up. There's a potential for another pump. If we broke the 53, we need to break the 53. $48.50. Oh boy, the price is going down. It's going down. We need to hold the 41.62 as a bottom. GNS, HILS. So I put this here, HILS. Yeah, it's going down. Huge short open around the 53 for VLON. What's gonna be 40.46? This is it. We need to hold this support. Mm-hmm. 81K, 114K for this candle, 98, 85. So yeah, we have a huge volume on those two candles. HILS, finally we're going down toward this bottom. Let's say $1.80. $1.84 for reversal. $1.84 toward this box. Still holding. We're still holding that $2.13. We're still holding. Pull back for VLON. Pull back. As we said, we need to hold above the 40.46. This level should hold. to confirm a reversal and continuation up. VLON, what's gonna be? What's gonna be? We could actually make another 37%. High risk, high reward, guys. High risk, high reward for this play. For a lot of people who asking about HPCO, I check it, but I don't like the chart, you know. I don't like the chart. It's kind of chubby. It's pumping right now, 62%. Yeah, it's pumping 65. So we got the $3.84. Yeah, we might see a huge pump for this one. We have a test, I think, yesterday. Yeah, around the $3. We might see a test. So HPCO looking good now. Now looking good. We have a bounce from the $2.38, now $3. Yeah, we did almost 30%. We'll see if we break the $3.84. Would be really interesting. VLON still pumping down. How much we missing? We missing almost 20%. Yeah, we didn't close there. Got rejected. Yeah, this area is really interesting to hold. Yeah, SQL is going down. SQL HILS is around the support. VLON, red to green. Red to green is better to hold above, you know. It's better not going here. We're gonna have a faster squeeze like this. This will be good. Test the 53 cent next time would be really good to break. VLON, we need to hold the 40 cent to go toward the 50 and 59 and the 73. Let's see what's gonna happen. HPCO is still holding. HPCO breakout zone around the $3.84. Let's see the pre-market update. MULN is still going down. We broke the support. Mira is still holding. Yeah, we have a bit short, but it's still holding this gap that we did on Wednesday. Huge gap. Tide is going down. Mark is still holding the support. Let me check the growth stock. We got Tesla still holding the 200, Nvidia still holding above the 205, NEO still above the 9. The SPY is still holding above the 400 and above our breakout zone. Google, AMD, Amazon. Amazon went down below the 100. Not good. Not good. It's not looking good. For Netflix, looking pretty nice. Netflix looking pretty nice. Really strong. Going toward the profit taken that we suggest before around the 391. Okay, Netflix. Yeah, it will be really interesting if we go toward the 456 for this year. The same charting as for Tesla, you see? We have parabolic price action for Netflix. Let me just check how much we did this year alone. This year, yeah, we did 30. For Tesla, we did over 100%. Without leverage. Imagine, without leverage. 100% without leverage. Back in the days when I was trading in Forex, leverage, I was using leverage 500, man. 500x, imagine. This is really bad. To start your trading career with 500x leverage. And you trade with the banks and huge insiders on the Forex. For my opinion, Forex is really tricky to trade on, you know? Because you are against the banks, man. Huge sell-off and buying pressure and manipulation in the Forex market. Even hunting for your like I put buy limit order before and didn't trigger. The price actually went down and never trigger my price. And I check the price actually should trigger my buy limit order, but my my brokerage never actually execute my trade. And this is what I don't like about Forex, man. It's like there's many manipulation. If you didn't get manipulated or outsmart the market, you can't outsmart or win against your brokerage, because everybody is against you. Everybody wants you to lose money in order for them to make money. This is the deal. So that's why I stopped trading Forex. I saw like many manipulation. Even I traded well and have my strategy set, and I put buy limit order and like wait the price to come to me. My brokerage never actually execute my trade, and I left like empty trade, and trade will go against me. So yeah, so I have a really bad story with Forex, but taught me a lot of things. Exactly, Joseph. Let's get to the 100 likes. Exactly, Joseph. Okay, let me just check. Ape, what a gap down, man. What a gap. But we're still holding. You see in the big picture on the daily chart, we're still holding for Ape above this ascending channel. Let me just make it easier for a lot of people asking about which time frame I'm using. I will just put this watermark. You see 1 day Ape. So you see clearly that Ape still holding the daily chart. For Tesla, if we go in the 4 hour, we see that the price is still holding. In the big picture, is still holding. The first support is around the 198, and the second support is the 180. So the 180 is the strongest support for confirmation for strength of the bullish trend. Okay, so if we hold above the 180, we're gonna have a reversal continuation toward the 233. So this area should hold for Tesla. Even though we are short today 3%, this is a not a problem for Tesla, because we're already up 110%. VLON have a huge short going still down. Yeah, we got double top and the price went down 53. XPON is pumping. GNS going down, SQL going down, HILS is still holding. XPON going toward the $3.84. %71. Yeah, VLON is going down. Okay, we're watching XPON for a potential breakout from the $3.84. And as well, here is a resistance. Just watch out. A resistance and a breakout. And the time being, we need to hold above the $3. $3 would be interesting. $3.12. So this is the support. And this is the breakout zone, $3.84. Poopers Cooper, I think the power hour will be decisive moment because mini stock is going down right now, hitting with a massive rejection. For HILS was around the $3.60 going toward this box. So power hour would be good for HILS. Next up we got SQL. We didn't have the squeeze and the market open around the $2.17. As we said, we need to break it. We didn't hold the $1.78 going down toward this support. GNS got shorted near this level of resistance. VLN still struggling to hold above this level of support. We got rejected, of course, around the 53. As we said, the 53 should be the squeeze area for VLON. So we might see accumulation here. If we hold, is mean a breakout later on in this day. Okay, so we're gonna do short analysis update for many stocks after our live streaming. So stay tuned for that. We're going to do the short analysis, of course, here on our Discord. You see it here. We do a lot of short analysis for our Hunter on Discord, and of course on Patreon as well, where we did the HPCO, profit taking, target, and exit strategy. So stay tuned for this update for mini stock that will pump later on, because right now the volume is light. You're right. The volume is a bit light. Okay, we got yeah, Jim, yeah, decisive for moment for Tesla right now. Exactly, you got it. For Tesla is looking really important level, but for my opinion, for Tesla still looking good because we already pumped 110%, so this is normal, and we already took our profit around the 210. We said the 210 should be the first profit taken. Let me just update our level here. We got huge rejection, so we're already watching for holding this level of support, you know, around this area. So this should be hold for Tesla to continue to go higher. So even if we got sold off, we need to hold in order to go toward the 233. Otherwise, boom, 147, huge gap. We might see this thing, you know. So I'm watching two gaps right now. 180, if we don't hold it, a huge reversal down around the 147, and this will be a good way to average down or buy Tesla once again, because this will be a good reversal area once again, 147. So either way, the price go down or up, there's a potential to trade those stocks. Okay, accumulation in this technical area. VLON, XPON, both of them with on. They are on. They are on. Both of them squeeze on. That's why we have the same two letters, VLON and XPON. Both of them at the same technical price target. You see 63% and this 67%. And pumping at the same day. I think someone, there's some monkey just buying some stocks just by the name, man. This would be really funny, you know. Someone picking the stocks just by their name. When you have so many, like too much money and you don't know which stock you're gonna buy, you just buy them by their name. Okay, today let's buy VLON and XPON. There's no reason, just buy them. And still short, we don't have buying pressure. For VLON, we don't have any reversal. No whatsoever. There's no reversal. There's no buying pressure happening. Ethereum hit our scan. Huge short for Ethereum. A huge short for crypto market. We have a huge short open for Ethereum. Okay, let me update the level for Ethereum because we might see a dip. Let's see if we're gonna hit this level, 1,300. Yeah, it will be really interesting if we go there. Wow, HILS is still holding. HILS is still holding. Trading monkey. Exactly, man. There's a study. They said if you have I read a book about randomness, you know. So they said if you want to pick a stock to invest in the future, I'm talking about not day trading or swing trading. I'm talking about picking stock for holding for years, like the funds, you know, like big funds they do, you know, they manage many portfolio. So some interesting point of view, they said if you just take a monkey and let him pick some stocks, he will have more return than most indexes, you know. It show you how random is actually picking stocks. But depends on how diverse the portfolio you actually picking, you know, and how much money you have. Because if you have 10,000 and you diversify your portfolio, it's not good. You never get return because you need more money to diversify more. So you have to be extremely careful. If you don't have a lot of money, diversifying is not good in investing. If you have a lot of money, there's a different story. Monkeys, man, monkeys. I think monkeys will rule the world with the AI chip that Elon Musk actually develop right now. So we might see monkeys trading, monkeys, I don't know, cooking your lunch or being like a servant. So we might see a different era of like slaves, you know, different. Sorry for saying this, but I think this is the future. I can see this, you know. We might have Elon Musk have AI chips in monkeys, and monkeys will be slaves in the future. And then monkeys will really have a revolution and then they want to have their freedom and their own society, and the circle start once again, from monkeys to, I don't know, like snakes. And so animals will have actually different society as well because of Elon Musk. Oh man, would be a scary future. Would be a really scary future. Oh man. But it will be really interesting, you know? We're not human anymore, humankind, but we'll be a monkey kind. And different, upgraded monkeys. They can cook, they can trade, they can actually, I don't know, dance. Imagine. This would be a really interesting world. Okay, SQL is going up again. I don't like this reaction. It's testing. Yeah, we test this support. We might see a price going down and test and going back down. VLON finally red to green. Finally, we have bought back here. As we said, this is the support. Now is time to pump once again. HPCO still holding. GNS, SQL, HILS. Interesting, man. Interesting. Someone buying. Hopefully it's not a monkey. Hopefully it's not a monkey here. Is buying. Pressing the keys and trying to buy and have many bananas beside him and just eating banana and buying HILS like this. Crazy. I can imagine so many monkeys buying right now. HILS support $2.13. Okay. Oh man, what a crazy day. Welcome Lord Markov to our Hunter channel. Welcome, brother. Yes, so now we see another hunter in a tribe. Another hunter. Yeah. Gem, Scott, he said you are on weed or something. No man, I'm just curious about the future, you know. I'm just curious. Everything's possible. I'm just thinking outside the box, you know. Brando. This is a bad story that's been told by our educational system. They said that we are ancestor from monkeys. Man, come on, just think about it, man. Everything you read is kind of a lie. You know, everything you read, you have to question everything. Like monkeys, come on, man. I think Brando, there's some monkeys ancestor is like, there's some human being here have ancestor from monkeys. This is 100%. Yeah. But other human being, they are not, their ancestors is not from monkey. That's why we have stupid people and smart people. So that's why the reason that we have the difference in society. You know, there's some people are really stupid, do stupid things, man. You know, and I think those kind of people are descended from monkeys. For my opinion, I don't know, but not everybody, of course. So yeah. Let me just check. HILS 84%. Still have a struggle. VLON still have a potential to pump 64%. XPON is still holding above the $3.12. Let me just check something. AI is still number one. We got EDBL 7,800% for today. So we got EDBL on short squeeze. A lot of people on Reddit talk about this stock. XPON is pumping. EDBL 7%. not looking good. The chart looking really ugly. We did reverse split 1 to 30. Maybe this one we have a potential around the 5, but not now. 5 potential reversal and squeeze. Yeah, $5.11. This one gaining here a huge attraction on Reddit. That's why it's jumping 7,000%. Then we got BBY because it's jumping down, APRN jumping down, TIE jumping down, of course. BIOR 2,000% in the last 24 hours. Let's check PIOR. Volume is light, not looking good. HILS finally going down. Yeah, going down, of course. So the monkeys went to buy a banana. So he forgot to buy this dip. So now the price should go toward the $1.84. Now we have to update our level and put support $1.80 for a potential reversal for HILS. One of the top gainer for today. We hit with the resistance around the $2.60. That's why the price going down. This one not looking good. VLON looking dicey, man, looking dicey. We're still accumulating, so there's someone buying here because this is the bottom that we should hold if we don't want to have another sell-off. We need a huge pump after holding here, huge pump to take us to 59 and 73. This will happen maybe after hours or before the after hours, after 1 hour or 2 hours from now, because the volume is slowing down. Right now, the volume is slowing down. Okay, is it me or on Friday I see a lot of people not trading? Like I see many people like stop trading early today. Is that correct? Okay, let me just ask you this. Let me just do a poll. Okay. How long you trade on Friday? First 2 hours. Just power hour. 1 hour. First 2 hours. Trading. Okay, guys, can you just vote right now? We have a question. How long you trade on Friday? How long you trade on Friday? Is it the first hour or the first 2 hours, or you never trade, or you trade all Friday? Because we have to see if a lot of people not trading on Friday, just in case. I'm just wondering to see what's going on Friday, because we see a bit of volatility down right now. Let's see if someone trading on Friday or not. VLON is going down. Interesting. Oh man, come on, Elite. You just mess up our poll right now. So don't smoke while you're trading. That's not good. Not advisable. Wow, so I never thought about this. So there's almost 30% of people saying they're not trading on Friday. Interesting. Really interesting. Didn't expect this answer. What about BBBY? What about BBBY? Okay, BBY is trending down. BBY is trending down 9% to $1.39. Yeah, trending down. Okay, so BBY going to our box, guys. 9%. As we said, the $2.23 and the $1.87 should be a huge reversal. Here is a huge reversal for BBY. BBY got rejected right around our ascending line. As we said, when we broke the $3, we said this is a game over for BBY to go down here. Then the price test again went down. Yes, all day long. Almost 61% people said all day long. They trade all day long. Yeah, luring. We're gonna have a huge upside, of course, for BBY after we reverse from the bottom. Because BBY is pretty volatile, so this is normal. Oh man, this is really... Is that coincidence? Is that coincidence? Look, we have... Oh man. Yeah, I saw it 81. This was funny. Yeah, was really funny. Yeah. The same, we test and rejected. We have a test and we got rejected. VLON bouncing back. VLON, we might see a huge pump for this one. I'm watching. HPCO is scrolling back, scrolling up toward the $3.84, 74% right now. What's gonna be? Let's see the market. Tesla is almost 4%. Nvidia 4% as well. Energy stock looking good. Energy sector is looking good. So energy sector is looking good. Healthcare sector as well. Aerospace, defense, utility. So we got communication services and technology is not good. Energy sector looking good. Let's check energy sector. Let's check energy sector. Let's go to home screener. Let's check industry. Wow. Let me just put it on the country, US. Price. Sector. Let's put it energy. Change. So we got this one, NGL, looking good. Let's put it on the chart. So we got NGL looking good. Really strong, this one. Oil and gas refining, marketing. Balance sheet. Okay. Let's check this out. NGL, energy stock. Pumping 18%. Around the $2. Yeah, looking really good. Looking really good, this one. This one for swing trade. We might see red to green for this one for the next weeks, because we have turning point. Turning point, yeah, looking really good. I'll check something. Okay, we might have this $2.13 first test, and here. Okay, looking really good. Let's see how much we can do from the $2.13, 32%. Okay, NGL looking interesting. Swing play for this one. Swing play. This is the support. Breakout zone for hunt. Interesting. VLON, red to green, reversal. 70% is going up. It's going up. As we said, 40 should be the bottom. Let's go, let's go. We need to have a breakout around the 53. 53 will be squeeze for VLON. 70% up, 36 million worth of volume. XPON got shorted, and VLON pumped. GNS, I will take it from the list. Still struggling. Okay. Like VTGN. Okay, this looking interesting. Is pretty cheap, but looking interesting. Yeah, looking interesting. Let's see this. 23. Let's see how much we can do from here. 20%, not bad. I put the breakout zone around the 19, 20. Yeah, potential break here. Looking interesting. Interesting. Okay, we got two. Which AI, Sunray? You mean ChatGPT? Because when you ask ChatGPT around anything about the market, will say he's not a financial advisor. Elite, I don't like to trade options because it's kind of relying heavily on like projection of price of like maybe even tomorrow or after 1 month. But there's high potential of gambling because we can actually control our trade, because when you buy the options, you just have the belief that the price will go up or down. If call options or put options, there's no options for you to put stop loss or something like this. So when you buy the options, you're locked, until the mature date for execution for your option. So that's why I don't like it, because have high potential of gambling, because you can adjust your trade. You can actually do it in swing trade, maybe for options when you see high potential trade like for a blue chip company, but not like with GameStop, AMC, because those are pretty volatile. And for options, using option for those stocks is really gambling. Really, I'm just saying. However, for like let's say Tesla, Google, maybe we could actually do options with them, because they are stable on the big picture. We can actually predict at least for 1 month, 2 months, that if the price hold above the support, we can actually trade them, and we have call option for them, or put options if the price get rejected around the resistance. However, I don't do options trading. I prefer day trading and swing trading. NGL looking good. NGL is pumping $2.06, going toward the $2.30. Oh man, this one is gonna go down. Got shorted again. Not looking good. We should have actually went up here. You see here? We should have actually pumped around the 47. Don't like this red candle. Lauren said BBY will announce its merger soon. We'll see. VTGN. Really interesting for this and this one. NGL looking interesting. Yeah, I think many people not trading on Friday. That's why we have a bit of slowness. here a lot of people kind of taking Friday off for trading. That's why we see a bit of slowness in volume, you see. So we might do a video for today to wrap up our stocks that we hunted today and for the next week. If we don't do a video today on around 8 p.m. CET, we're gonna do this video on Sunday around 8 p.m. CET for crypto and stocks. So stay tuned for this update for Monday and the hunt. And of course, we're gonna do a chart analysis update for the stock that have potential to squeeze. Like this one, we just find this energy stock. We might have a really good swing trade. NGL is about to break and pump once again as we calculate almost 30%. So we're gonna do chart update for this stock. We're gonna do maybe this one as well. It's looking interesting. And the other one, there's a potential for reversal. VLON, SQL, and HILS. There's a potential for power hour. So we're gonna do chart update for them after our live streaming, as we did before for HPCO and BBBY before getting shorted, KPRX. So stay tuned for this update here on Patreon and of course on our Discord channel. Okay, so watch out for the chart update analysis for those stocks that have potential to squeeze in a power hour before the market close for today. Thank you for watching, guys, and we're gonna do live streaming next Monday as usual around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. And as usual, we said never reply on anybody who pretend is me. Okay, there's some scammers pretend as me and have Telegram and tell you they will make you millions and you have to discuss this on Telegram. Just know that I don't have any number. I never share my number here on YouTube. That's the reason why. That's why we have our Discord channel. That's why we did our Discord channel on Patreon. So we could actually answer you guys straightforward, and you can actually PM, like sending me a private message regarding which stock we should actually hunt, and maybe even one-on-one meeting, depend on which level you actually choose. There's many options when you join our Discord on Patreon and discuss which stock you buy, and if you want to like me to review your stock. So this is the only option to join our Discord over Patreon. And if you don't know how to join, you just send me a direct message, okay, toward trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. This is the only way you can actually contact me, which is our business email. Other than that is all scam. Just be careful, guys. Okay, stay safe and never reply on those scammers, and just report them to YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.